Hi, everyone. I thought let's take a look at the growth rate of some plants that are now 6 to 7 years old in the garden. This is May 28th. So you can see, look at Sporobolus heterolepis. It's much bigger. It's almost 16, 18 inches tall. Same with the Calamintha nepeta subspecies nepeta. And you can see the Calamintha and the Sporobolus are interwoven together. And we're monitoring Asclepias syriaca within the planting. So we do thin it because it would take over the whole garden rhizominously, but we thin it and keep it kind of like refereeing. We're like a referee out here. And Salvia Wesuwe, so you can see the size and when the plants mature. This is, I think, about 7 years old, this garden. Allium summer beauty mixed with Sporobolus heterolepis. Again, Asclepias syriaca finding its way in, and we're keeping an eye on it as the Asclepias winds through the bed. And we popped in a few Bottle Gentian, Gentiana andrewsii. But you can see the pattern. Allium summer beauty, Sporobolus heterolepis, Salvia Wesuwe, and we have a Salvia snow hill, kind of a white to kind of play off in a little impressionistic way. Sporobolus heterolepis, and Calamintha nepeta subspecies nepeta. You can see it's not quite June, and the ground is pretty well covered, except where we have the Asclepias syriaca coming in. So you can see how plants mature from that youth to adult. In a show I did earlier at Pete Outhoff Garden, the plants were barely 6 inches tall, and the Sporobolus was probably, maybe 4 inches tall. So you can see how they equate each other in growth. I don't know if that's a word. I know equate's a word, but I don't know if I used it properly in a sentence. But they're equalizing themselves out as far as growth. And then they will be disproportionate later as the Sporobolus blooms in August. So when you're aware of that constant change, then you'll know what to anticipate and also the placement of the plants. So again, Calamintha nepeta subspecies nepeta, a group of Allium summer beauty covering the ground, Salvia Wesuwe, a couple of Gentiana andrewsii along with more Allium summer beauty, Sporobolus heterolepis, more Salvia, Sporobolus along the edge, and again the Asclepias syriaca just came in on its own. So we're just taking out the plant to keep it in a managed state along with the other plants. And basically, it's called balance. We're maintaining the balance of the patterns we put in. So thanks for the 3 minutes, and we'll cover some of this later, but it's all about growth rate and growth habit from youth to maturity. And you can look up, I have more discussion on that in my indoor class at Simple on developing plant patterns. So if you go back to some of the winter programs, I discuss more of the growth rate and growth habit of plants in relationship to putting them together. It's kind of fun. It's like painting. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, everybody.